So the first thing I got is from ASOS. It's this really cute boater's hat. I love that it's not flimsy or floppy. And I've been wanting a straw hat for a while and I just had to have it. Especially since it has like this pink nude like ribbon right here. It's like my aesthetic. And then I got these white heeled mules from DSW. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have known that I got the pink suede one. But I wasn't too happy with this, so I exchanged it for a white leather one and it makes me look so tan. It's so cute and I don't have any white heels, so these were perfect. And then lastly, I got this really cute summer set. I love the Gaonou print totally in right now. I love the green. Green's a really popular color for summer. And here's the top. It also ties on each shoulder, so you can tie like a cute little bow. And it's very light, so it's perfect for those really hot summer days. Good morning. I am finally heading out of the house today, going to my chiropractor appointment. Wow, I said that really slow. So I'm going to my chiropractor appointment, and then I need to stop by Walmart and Target to get some stuff for some campaigns that I'm shooting today. So today I thought I'd do like a day in the life of a fashion blogger and kind of like show you guys like behind the scenes of like how I shoot campaigns, how I prep for them. So if you are interested and seeing what a fashion blogger does in a normal day, keep on watching and don't forget to click the subscribe button down below so that you're notified of my future videos. And now let's head to the appointment. So currently at Target, finally got some stuff for one of my campaigns. It's a picnic theme, and now I'm gonna head over to Home Decor and hopefully I can find like a really cute blanket that's gonna like work with everything that I picked out. Finally home! I went shopping for like a good 2 hours, found most of the stuff that I needed. I brought up just a few of the items for now. The rest is downstairs because those are for more like outdoor like photos and I'm gonna do that tomorrow, so I didn't need to bring that in my room. So I got some popcorn because I'm doing kind of like a game night kind of like theme, so got some snacks. And then the other item I can't like show you yet because it's like the actual product that I am promoting and I've used and I love. I also got like a really like simple like glass bowl for my popcorn, and now I am going to do my makeup, freshen up a little bit and make myself look presentable in these photos. I feel like I haven't really vlogged like behind the scenes stuff. Like it's more of me talking. Like I totally forgot to like vlog like at the store. I think I did like a little clip like at Target, but like that's about it. Like Walmart, I kind of like went there with a mission, was like looking for stuff because I was like on like a time limit, so I had to like make sure like I wasn't spending too much time there. But before I do makeup, I do want to show you guys an exciting package that I got from a media agency, and they like sent out these like seasonal like kits. The first thing they sent over was some Carefree pads, which I have been needing because I'm on my period right now. So yeah, I'm excited to try these out. I've never tried out this brand before. So here is the kit. I got some permanent markers, which I've been needing, so I'm so excited for this. Like I'm really into school supply like items. I got some books that I'm excited to read. They're kind of like creepy like thriller books, but I'm excited for that. I did get some makeup products. These are Kat Von D. This one is a eyeliner, and then I think this is a mascara. Yes, it is. So I've never tried Kat Von D like eye products before, so this is going to be exciting. I think I've only tried their lip products, which are really good. And I got this really cute sippy cup, which I need for summer. I am obsessed with Summer's Eve. If you've never heard of them before, definitely check them out. They make these, what would you call it, like cleansing cloths. Yes, so they make these cleansing cloths that you use during your period, and it helps get rid of like period odor when you're like on the go. These work so well for me, so I'm excited to have been sent another one. And then got some highlighters, which I also needed for school. If you didn't know, I'm in school, so these are going to be perfect for when I take notes and work on projects. So for tomorrow's photo shoot, everything is here in these 3 bags. This box, so thankful that I just got delivered today because I needed it for content that needs to be submitted tomorrow. Let me show you what I got from Target for this little campaign that I'm doing. I got some fruits, so I need to put that in the fridge. I got these super cute like milk bottles. I got pink and white ones, so that's gonna be super cute for tomorrow. And then in the second bag, I got this really cute like wooden little tray to put the products in. This super cute straw handbag, and then here are the white milk bottles. Let's put this back over here. So I decided to add a note to my fruits just in case if someone eats them. Good morning. I just woke up. As you can tell, still have that mascara from yesterday. Today is gonna be another fashion blogger day. Yesterday I didn't really vlog, so I thought why not vlog today as well, since I still have like a bunch of like things to do. Like I still need to shoot like 2 more campaigns because yesterday we just didn't have enough time and it was pouring outside and I need to do one of the campaigns outside. So doing that today, gonna bring you guys along. I don't know what I do and everything. I mean, if you guys want to see the mess, that's kind of like the mess that I made yesterday just from shooting 2 campaigns. I just got done with foundation, something very light, you know, everyday kind of look, and then I just did my brows. Still need to add some color to the face, so bronzer, blush, a little bit of eyeshadow, and then my hair is kind of like a mess right now, so I'm gonna need to like fix it. I'm thinking I'm gonna do curls. I just think that would look really cute with that summer hat right there. So yeah, that is the dealio for right now. So here's the final look for today's photo shoot. Super cute, obsessed with the straw hats, and I feel like a top does not get cuter than this one from Lulu's. And then these shorts are the Bomb Digs. They're from Forever 21, super inexpensive, and it's actually really good quality. Ready for today's photo shoot. So I'm gonna go downstairs, get the fruits ready for the photo shoot, and just have everything all like set up. Right now the sun is out, so we're waiting for it to kind of like be covered by clouds. So while that's going on, gonna get the whole setup ready. I'm so excited. I just feel so cute in this outfit. I mean, it's so adorable and I'm like obsessed with it. And my makeup is not too bad today either. Everything just is so perfect right now. So Ashley and I, we are currently outside right now trying to get a super cute shot of this little like picnic thing that I'm doing. So far, turning out super cute. Just got done with shoot number 2. I'll show you guys like the whole little setup that I did in a little bit. I did take off my lip gloss because I was eating some popcorn and it was so good. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the little setup. So here is the behind the scenes of a shoot that I did. If I'm able to, I'll have like the photo like right here on how it looks. You know, everything else is kind of like a mess, shoved it to the side. But here is the little backdrop, hoping that the photos turn out great. And now the plan is to just edit some photos, do some homework, and I don't know, try to have a chill day as well. I am like obsessed with my makeup right now. It just looks, I feel like, really good for like an everyday like makeup look. Also need to clean my room. A lot to do today. When I am like editing photos and like do my blog posts and stuff, I will like check in with you guys and kind of like share with you like what I do. Yeah, all that fun stuff.
Okay, next to where or what was it?
Nothing. I'm just recording you.
No, stop.
Okay. So I'm back in the room now. Got the whole thing situated downstairs. Didn't really find anything to eat, so I just grabbed some Swedish fish. I'm just gonna like stop vlogging for a bit because the camera that I'm vlogging with, I also take photos with, and I've been using that to take campaign photos, which is why it was kind of like hard to get behind the scenes footage too. I'm gonna do that and I will check in with you guys when I've like all the photos like selected and everything and show you like the finishing product. We are currently outside. I decided to style like a random summer outfit and I thought it was so cute. So I wanted a photo in it. I'm like obsessed with this like straw hat that I got from ASOS. I'll have a link down below if you want the exact one. But yeah, my house is like near farmland, so I'm gonna take a photo by the fence because I think that would really go with today's outfit. Just got done with the photo shoot Now it's time to just relax and edit a bunch of photos, which I'm so excited for because I haven't edited photos in a while. So trying to get a bunch of photos done today so I can get them ready for the next couple days. So I just got done editing this photo for an upcoming campaign, and I wanted to show you guys the before and after. So this is after and this is before. How stinking cute!